I am thrilled to introduce you to an incredible AI tool that will revolutionize the way you create videos. Get ready to dive into the world of text to speech and talking photo videos for free. This all-in-one tool not only allows you to generate voiceovers, talking characters, and subtitles, but it also provides powerful video editing and publishing capabilities. And guess what? You can even track the analytics of your videos by sharing them. Let's start by creating a captivating video for your YouTube Quotes channel. Begin by opening ChatGPT and generating a script for your Quotes video. For instance, you can use my prompt as a reference. Once you have the text, it's time to bring your character to life. Head over to Blue Willow Bot, where you can effortlessly create stunning characters. Blue Willow offers high-quality results, and you even get 150 image credits daily. Simply type in the prompt for your desired character, and voila! You'll be presented with an amazing selection. Choose your favorite, and don't forget to download it. Now, brace yourself for the most exciting part of this video creation process. Click the link provided in the description to access a fantastic website. Sign up, and a dashboard will appear before you, ready to unleash your creativity. If you want to generate a voiceover, select the text-to-speech option. This tool allows you to create voiceovers of up to 5,000 words for free. However, since we want a talking video for the Quotes channel, let's click on the talking head button. Next, upload the character you downloaded from Blue Willow Bot and copy the script from ChatGPT. Paste the script into the tool. Now, it's time to choose the perfect voice for your video. When you've completed both these steps, click the Generate button. After a short processing time, your talking video will be sent to your email. Open the email and download it. Now, let's proceed to the next step, generating subtitles for your video. Return to the website's dashboard and click the Create a Video button. Upload your generated talking video, and once it's uploaded, open it. Click on the Edit button to dive into the editing interface. Here, you have the power to trim, crop, and edit your video in various ways. Add text, subtitles, images, and apply color correction. It's entirely up to you. Since we want to add subtitles, click on the Transcript button. Select English as the language, then hit Start Transcribing. After a short processing time, your video's subtitles will be created. Feel free to preview them using the play button. If desired, make any adjustments. To download your video, click the Save button. On the next page, add a title, description, and tags for your video. If you wish to add these details, go ahead. Copy the video from the Copy Link button and share it with anyone you like. The tool also provides analytics to track your video's performance. To download the video, visit the Library tab and click the More button above your video. Choose the Download option, and your video will be saved to your device. With the free version of this tool, you can create up to 50 videos, with a maximum length of 30 minutes per video. For unlimited video generation, consider upgrading to the paid version, available for only $10 per month. This single tool empowers you to create your entire video seamlessly. So don't hesitate. Click the link below, sign up, and explore the endless possibilities. I was blown away by the incredible features of this tool, and I hope you are too. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for joining me in this AI learning video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.